We do a lot at Zerodha, but most of it never reaches your inbox thanks to our strict no spam policy. The Zerodha Bulletin is our monthly roundup of everything happening across the Zerodha universe. Here is a quick recap of all our platform and product updates from June 2026. First up, we have introduced trailing stop loss on Kite Web. A fixed stop loss protects you from downside risks, but it does not protect the gains you have already made. If a stock moves in your favor and then suddenly crashes, a standard stop loss stays right where you first set it, potentially wiping out your hard-earned gains. A trailing stop loss helps solve for this. Now available for good till triggered or GTT orders on Kite Web, the stop price automatically adjusts upwards as the stock price moves in your favor. If the market reverses by an amount you specify, the trade triggers, effectively locking in your profits or capping your losses. When you place a single or an OCO GTT order, simply check the trailing box in the stop loss section and enter your desired trail value. Trailing stop loss is currently live on the Kite Web and will be coming soon to the Kite mobile app. Next, our referral program is back. For every new account opened through your referral link, starting from June 1st, 2026, you will earn 10% of the brokerage they pay. You will also receive 300 reward points, which you can redeem in console for subscriptions to essential tools like Tijori, mProfit, and Quico, or even write them off against your own account maintenance charges. If you have referred users in the past, you will continue to earn that 10% brokerage share on your pre-June referrals. However, to keep receiving payouts from those older referrals, you just need to introduce at least 3 successful new referrals every 12 months. Next up, if you're thinking of moving your portfolio over to us, we will now cover your transfer charges. When you transfer your stock holdings from another broker to Zerodha, we will refund the transfer fees your previous broker charges you up to 500 rupees. The offer applies to both new and existing Zerodha account holders for any transfers completed on or after June 1st, 2026. To make things even easier for those just starting their investing journey, we are also waiving all account maintenance charges or AMC for your first entire year. Even after that first year ends, if you hold only one demat account against your PAN and your total holdings value is less than 4 lakhs, your account is automatically considered a basic services demat account or a BSDA on which absolutely no AMC is charged. Moving on to mutual funds, Zerodha Fund House has launched life cycle funds. When your financial goal is 20 years away, investing heavily in stocks makes sense because you have plenty of time to ride out the market bumps. But if the market crashes just 2 years before you need that money, it can completely derail your plans. The smart move is to gradually shift from stocks to safer assets as you get closer to your goal. But very few investors have the time or discipline to do this manually. This is the exact idea behind lifecycle funds, a single portfolio that gradually adjusts its risk automatically as your goal gets closer. We have launched 2 specific timelines, the Zerodha Lifecycle Fund 2036 for goals roughly a decade away and Zerodha Lifecycle Fund 2041 for goals around 15 years away. Both funds track the Nifty Large Mid-Cap 250 Index for stock exposure, uses government bonds for safety, and utilizes structural asset allocations like arbitrage to ensure that the fund is taxed at a lower equity rates throughout its entire life cycle. For active traders, we have added 2 highly requested technical indicators to Kite's TradingView charts. The first is CPR or Central Pivot Range, which uses the previous day's price action to calculate 3 key support and resistance lines. The second is previous day OHLC, which automatically marks the previous session's open, high, low, and close points directly on your active chart, letting you see instantly how today's price compares to yesterday's action. Along with this, the positions page on the Kite web now features a dedicated day's P&L column. You can now track exactly how your overnight positions are performing throughout the active trading day at a single glance. Finally, we expanded our financial literacy footprint across corporate spaces and regional hubs this past month. We hosted a session of the Varsity Corporate Quiz at Tata Realty to bring financial education straight into the workplace. We also hosted live boot camps in Kolkata and Bhubaneswar. covering advanced option concepts, including open interest, market signals, and foundational option strategies. If you want to dive deeper into any of these concepts, head over to Zerodha Varsity, where all our modules are completely free to read. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.